Hey, it's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshwa. This is the 2019 Buick Envision all-wheel drive premium. You got the 19-inch aluminum wheels. You got the rain-sensing wipers, nice little feature. So when activated, as soon as the rain starts to hit those, they're going to activate for you. And right there you have the integrated turn signals, the smart key access system, leather upholstery through here, power driver adjustable seat with lumbar supports, and you also have memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets, and the driver blind spot information system. So this icon right there where my fingertip is will illuminate when you have somebody in your blind spot. Power liftgate release button. It is hands-free. We're going to get to there in just a minute. Lots to see, so let's get on in. We're going to work our way here from left to right on the inside. You got the leather wrapped steering wheel, and it is heated. You can turn that on and off right there. And your forward collision warning, you can set that up for different distances, and it's going to keep you informed of the flow of traffic around you, or you could have it selected off. It's not for everybody. Hands-free calling and voice command. Cruise control. Headlights and turn signals. And again, those intermittent wipers, including the rear wiper and rain sensing right there. You got a push start ignition, got your hazards, analog clock, parking sensor on off, and you do have front and rear parking sensors here. And you can turn off the auto stop right here. Of course, it'll be more fuel efficient for you if you do leave it engaged. And your lane keep system. So again, you'll get an alert if you start to drift out of your lane. Onboard navigation with turn by turn. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with projection, SMS text messaging, the full range of OnStar services, including the Wi-Fi hotspots. You got the iHeartRadio app. This is something new that's coming to some of the Buick GMC models. So if you have a subscription to that, you're going to get all your classic radio stations there at the touch of a button. And in reverse, a full color rear backup camera with trajectory. And right there you can pair up your devices to use for hands-free and Bluetooth audio. Alright, that big skyscraper panoramic sunroof with the power sunshade. And I'm not going to open up the sunroof today because it's not exactly sunroof weather. We're still quite chilly out here. But there's the power sunshade in action. And controls for the sunroof right there. Garage door openers, overhead storage, OnStar services, overhead lighting, heated seats, both driver and passenger side, automatic temperature control, and you can sync them up, or you can pick whichever comfortable temperature is best for you and your passenger. AC button, fan speed operator, front and rear defrosters, got your traction control, nice wood grain trim notes, gear shifter, electronic parking brake, and within you're going to find storage space and 12-volt power. Armrest flips up, storage space below. You've also got 12-volt, 2 USB, and auxiliary. And did I mention Bose audio? I'm not sure if I have, but I have now. You get the best sound possible, and it's also AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio as well. And push start ignition, so to turn the engine off, foot on the brake, engine shuts down, and then you get that rear seat reminder. Let's work our way towards the rear profile, and again, you got the 19-inch wheels, wheel locks installed, dual exhaust here in the rear, the rear parking sensors, the Envision all-wheel drive badging in the right-hand side, and a hands-free lift gate. So all you need to do is make a kicking motion under here, and there you go. It opens up nice and wide. And that's a look at the storage space available to you with the one seat down there and the split bench seat in the back. Tie downs on both sides. 12-volt power, and you do have those pull tabs so you can fold those seats down. Now, one thing the Envision gives you that I really enjoy is a great amount of storage space back here, and it's very, very well organized. You get pockets for everything, keeps everything all together. Spare tire below. Tools for fixing a flat, and with that compartments, not getting everything rolling around and causing trouble. You just press that button right there, and it's going to snack back into position. snap back into position. Not snack. I'm not eating right now. Smart key access system on all 4 doors. The rear heated seats, 2 USB ports, 3-prong power, or the 12-volt power rather. And above, another look at that skyscrape sunroof. Wood grain trim notes. Soft touch materials. A fold down armrest with cup holders. And to put the seat back in position, I'm just going to pull up this tab here, and I'm doing it with one hand on the camera here, so forgive me while I reach in. And put that back in position. And the perforated leather seating continues here in the back of the vehicle. You've got the front parking sensors and the fog lights as well, and that's going to complete your look at this 2019 Buick Envision all-wheel drive. If you want to see it in person, we are at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshwa, where we always do whatever it takes.